So, you want to start a fashion brand. Here is the truth. You are about to face challenges that you won't find in any textbook. I am sharing hard-hitting lessons that I have learned from my own journey with Lohana that no one really talks about. And if you stick around till the end, I have a little surprise for you, just a little thank you for supporting me and being here. Let's dive in. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kinjal Popat, the founder of Lohana Lifestyle, a slow fashion brand that focuses on sustainability, simplicity and thoughtful design. Today's video is going to be like a warm, honest conversation. Imagine us catching up over a coffee. Because I'm sharing 10 things that I wish I knew before I started Lohana, things that could save you time, money, self-doubt and maybe even burnout. Number 1, your design is just the beginning. When I started Lohana, I thought if my products were beautiful and unique, the rest will fall into place. But design is just 20% of your business and rest 80% is marketing, budgeting, inventory, customer queries, studio chaos, packaging and whatnot. There's a lot that goes on behind running a business than just making a nice design. So the lesson is treat your brand like a business and not the creative outlet. Number 2, a focused launch is much better than a fancy one. One mistake I made was that I launched too many categories at the same time. I just was thinking that I want to be available for all the categories like men, women, unisex, accessories, everything. And that is the mistake that I made. I was wanting to be all around the place because I wanted people to come on my website and find everything that they're looking for. But that's something that I will not do next time, because I think if you focus on specific category or let's say only few SKUs, then you tend to perform better, because then people also remember your pieces and you can also tell stories behind each of the piece, and that becomes more focused than just being all over the place. So I would suggest that start small, let people remember your designs. Number 3, marketing is your lifeline. Learn it even if you hate it. I never thought I would spend more time on Canva and on Instagram than on sketches and fabrics. But in today's world, marketing isn't optional. How you show up, your brand voice, how you connect, this is what gets people to notice you and buy from you. If you avoid marketing, you'll keep feeling undiscovered. Number 4, sustainable fashion needs storytelling. At Lohana, we use organic fabric, natural dyes and make things in smaller batches, and people won't understand it automatically unless you explain them. Why is that cotton top costing that much? What is natural dyeing and why are you making things in less quantity? So these are the things that you need to explain them and tell them again and again, because storytelling builds the trust. I think people underestimate the storytelling part of the business, because that's how people, audience, your customers connect with you. Number 5, you will outgrow your own mindset every 3 to 6 months. The person you are when you launch the brand is not going to be the same person who handles first 50 orders or builds their own team. Every stage of the business demands different you, and that's something I'm still learning. Lohana has grown slowly, but I have had to upgrade my mindset faster than expected. So keep learning, keep unlearning, keep reflecting and keep implementing. If you're finding this video useful so far, drop a comment of your brand name or the one that you're dreaming about. Let me know if you have any more further questions apart from these ones, and I will be happy to help. I'd also make a separate video if I get enough queries. Yeah, you can also drop me a DM on my Instagram. So I'll mention my Instagram handle here somewhere. You can drop me a DM as well. Number 6. Perfection is the enemy of the momentum. I spent months trying to get perfect launch, perfect packaging, perfect piece, perfect Instagram feed, and I missed the whole point. The only way to grow is to just start, launch messy, learn fast, and learn as you grow. Just do it. Don't wait for the perfect timings and the perfect things. Because I noticed that some of the Lohana's biggest wins came after the launch and not before. Number 7. Social media is not just content, it's connection. I used to post only final pictures and aesthetic things and stuff like that, but then real engagement came when I started posting behind the scenes, the journey of the brand, messy studio, the shoots and the packaging orders, videos and stuff like that. Because people buy from people, and when you show them what's going on behind the scenes, they love it more than just the perfect final pictures. Number 8, handmade growth takes longer than it times more than Zara and H&M. Instagram makes it seem as if everyone is blowing up in 3 months. But building a real brand It takes time. I'm in year 2 of Lohana and I'm still figuring
That
things
doesn't
out.
mean-
and that's
that
okay.
doesn't
So if
mean
you're
your
feeling
pricing
slow,
is
you're
wrong.
not
That
failing.
only means
you're
that your
building a
brand
real
needs to
thing, not
educate
just an Instagram
consistently.
highlight reel. So don't worry.
Number 9,
Through your
be
website,
prepared to
through your
explain your value
stories,
again
through your
and again.
captions. Even your close friends
Whatever,
might not
just
understand
keep
that.
telling
Why people, what is it worth? It doesn't mean that your pricing is wrong. It means that your brand needs to educate.
It doesn't mean that your pricing
through
is
your
wrong. It
website,
only
through
means
your
that your
stories,
brand
through your
needs to
Instagram, through your
educate
captions.
people
Tell people as
consistently.
many times as you have to, because with time people start seeing your worth. Obviously, the product has to be
It
good
doesn't
too.
mean that your
And
pricing is
last,
wrong. It means
number
that your
10.
brand needs to educate consistently
lonely
through your
sometimes.
website, through your stories,
And that's
through your
okay.
Instagram,
There
through
is
your
no
captions.
boss to guide you. You have
Tell
no
people
team
as many
to
times as
brainstorm
you
your
have to.
ideas with. Sometimes you self-doubt, but you still move forward. There have been so many moments in Lohana where I've felt unsure about my decisions, and I'm like, okay, am I doing it right? Should I do better? What if it doesn't work? But it happens. It's okay. But trust me, you are not alone. We are just building something that hasn't existed before. So लगता है ना थोड़ा time. It's okay. कभी कभी flow होता है. कभी you're like, sometimes things work out, sometimes it doesn't. So it's only journey. It's lessons. You learn, you improve, you implement. Then boom, it works. So give yourself grace. Give yourself pat on the back because you're doing a great job. Okay, so as promised, if you've made this far, thank you. You're really someone who wants to build something meaningful. Here is the coupon code. It's YouTube Gang 60 that you can use on my website, Lohana Lifestyle. It's www.lohanalifestyle.com. While checkout, you can apply this coupon code and you will get a special discount. This is only for my YouTube gang who found me here on YouTube and is still supporting me. It's just a token of appreciation. I really value all a lot, and thank you for being here. And do not forget to share this video with someone who is in the similar journey. And sometimes, you know, we might overthink about something a lot कि हाँ भाई ऐसा करो क्या करो क्या. Sometimes we think कि ये चीज़ important है पर वो नहीं होती है, and कुछ और होती है जो हमें बाद में पता चलती है. So it's good if you like share it with people who are on the similar journey. It might help them. Thank you so much for being around, watching this video. I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Keep growing, keep learning, keep experimenting. Bye.